balls. We're on a 10-cent Denom 250 bet. Show us your balls. Let's get some lettering. Maybe, oh, 37.50 ball. Let's go. Last spin. There we go. 250. I'll take 250 if it saves it. That dragon train. Come on, show us that algebra, some with letters. Oh, we got the dragon train. Let's freaking go. Yeah, D-Gens, this is going to turn out to be a spicy bonus. Oh, man. Can we fill up the last one? No shot. 10,132 grand. It's possible, but we got a dry hole here. Fill it up. Fill up my hole. All right, you guys ready? We gotta. If we fill up all of these, then we get the 1,576. 25, 10, 10, 12, 50. Come on, baby. Keep going. No, don't you do that. Let's go. Last one. Save it. There we go. 3 holes to be filled. Come on. Yeah. Okay. 2 more. Oh, come on, baby. We got 1 left, and then we get a $1,576 Fortune 8 jackpot. We got a dry hole in there, though, at the moment. Uh-oh. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Come on, baby. Well, I've yet to fill up all 8. Maybe next time. This was a really good bonus, though. You guys... Just wait, we're gonna get a Fortune 8 jackpot one of these days. Oh yeah. I just had a train ran on me. Let's see how much it pays. Solid. Remember, this is only a $2.50 dime denomination bet. $182.50. Thank you, D-Gens.